Welcome to this SpiderMoney video on the 5 best dividend-paying stocks to buy now in 2023. If you're interested in investing in stocks and want to get profitable returns through dividends, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you the best investment options available in the market. The stocks we will list in this video have a good position in the market and have proven to offer high returns to their shareholders in the form of dividends. But before we get into the details, let's take a look at what dividends are. Dividends are the portion of a company's profits that is distributed to its shareholders. Companies that offer stable and reliable dividends are highly valued by investors seeking regular returns on their shares. Without further ado, let's explore the top 5 dividend-paying stocks to buy now in 2023. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a large American company that produces drugs, personal care products, and medical devices. The company has proven to be very reliable in paying stable and growing dividends to its shareholders. In 2022, Johnson & Johnson paid a quarterly dividend of $1.06 per share, an annual yield of 2.4%. Coca Cola, KO. Coca Cola is one of the most recognizable beverage brands in the world. The company has a solid position in the market and has proven to offer stable dividends to its shareholders. In 2022, Coca Cola paid a quarterly dividend of 42 cents per share, an annual yield of 3.3%. Procter Gamble, PG. Procter Gamble is a consumer goods company that produces home care, personal care, and hygiene products. The company has a leading position in its industry and has proven to be very reliable in paying stable dividends to its shareholders. In 2022, Procter & Gamble paid a quarterly dividend of $0.8698 per share, an annual yield of 2.4%. Verizon Communications, VZ. Verizon Communications is an American telecommunications company that offers mobile and fixed-line telephone, internet, and network services. The company has proven to be very reliable in paying stable dividends to its shareholders and has a leading position in the telecommunications industry. In 2022, Verizon Communications paid a quarterly dividend of 64 cents per share, an annual yield of 4.2%. AT&T is another U.S. telecommunications company that offers mobile and fixed-line telephone, internet, and network services. The company has proven to be very reliable in paying stable dividends to its shareholders and has a leading position in the telecommunications industry. In 2022, AT&T paid a quarterly dividend of 52 cents per share, with an annual yield of 7.2%. These are the top 5 dividend-paying stocks to buy now in 2023. However, it is important to note that investing in stocks always involves some degree of risk. Before making any investment, it is important to do your research and consult a financial professional. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 best dividend-paying stocks to buy now 2023. We hope you found this information helpful in making informed investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment below and to share the video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, otherwise you will be poor and sad for the rest of your life.